Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Video testing tayo and shoutout po kay Sir Marvin ng Agosan del Sur. Sir, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. This is your unit, the 1911 MEU or the double bell code number 728. Comes with hard case, included na siya. So, lahat ng double bell units, especially sa mga pistol, meron na pong kasamang hard case. Okay? This one is the hard case. Open na natin. And then, yan. Yan yung laman. Comes with the extra loading nozzle. And also comes with the cleaning rod. Okay? Cleaning rod, pwede ring pag bumara, dual purpose, pwede siyang panundot ng bara, pwedeng cleaning rod. Okay? And then the 1911 728, bagong-bago. May mga langis pa po yan. Factory oil po yan. Bagong-bago po yung unit. Yan. Punasan lang natin. (1911 MEU). Tingnan nyo po yung markings. This one is full metal, ambidextrous manual safety, extended beaver tail safety, double stock magazine 24 rounder, threaded barrel para sa tracer unit, suppressor. Ayan. Fixed rear sight, pati yung front sight naka-fix. Ayan. Okay, 1911 MEU by Double Bell. Code number 728, comes with the hard case. At mayroon na rin siyang kasamang gas. Pop dyno number 12. This is the standard power. And also comes with the BBs, 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots, airsoft BBs. Okay. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo sir yung unit nyo. Ayan yung markings sa grip. Marking on slide. Again, this is airsoft only, no? Baka magtaka kayo bakit may nakalagay professional caliber 45. Baka magtaka kayo baka isipin nyo totoo siya. No, it's just a replica. Airsoft only. Ayan markings. Kilalang brand talaga yan. Okay. So this one is Double Bell brand po, no? Replica lang po siya, airsoft. Not a real gun, okay? Ayan. Check natin yung safety. Okay, working. Ambidextrous po. Pag sinabi pong ambidextrous, magkabilaan po yung safety, kumbaga yung access ng safety niya. Ayan. Kung left-handed kayo, you can still access the manual safety kasi ambidextrous. May mga 1911 kasi na hindi pa siya ambi ready. So, ibig sabihin po, dito lang yon. Dito lang ma-access yung manual safety. But this one, ambidextrous. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, yan, sumasabay po yan. Okay, check natin. Okay, working. Safety off. Okay. And then, the other safety feature is itong beaver tail. Pag hindi po to nadidiinan, hindi rin siya puputok. Yan. Pag diniinan mo siya, pag ginawakan mo yung grip, automatic po, nadidiinan. Ayan. Okay, again, kay Sir Marvin. Sir, this is your unit. 1911 MEU by Double Bell. This one is full metal po, no? Metal yung slide, metal yung frame. Also with the grip, metal din siya. Except yung grip cover. Ito, plastic lang po yung grip cover. And then, yung loading nozzle po, plastic lang po yan. Kaya meron siyang extra loading nozzle. Okay, extra. So, tetest po natin yung EPS. Okay, lagyan ko lang siya sir ng 4 lang muna na BBs para sa chronograph testing. Nahulog pa. Okay, 4 shots. Testing natin yung chronograph, yung EPS. Sorry, hindi ko pa pala nalagyan ng gas. Lagyan natin ng gas. Upside down. Then press. Okay. Testing. Okay, tingnan natin kung ilang EPS po itong unit nyo sir. Again, this is the 1911 MEU Double Bell 728 full metal gas blowback airsoft pistol. Okay, testing. Firing. 345.3. Malakas siya. 345.3. Okay, one more. 337.8. One more. 331.6. And last 332.2. Okay. And then nag-open chamber po siya. Dahil 4 na bala lang po yung lagay natin. So ayan, nag-open chamber. Release nyo lang yung mag muna. Tapos bali itulak nyo lang yung mag yung slide ng bahagya. Tapos baba mo to, then hammer down. Okay? Ngayon proceed tayo sa shooting test. Okay, Sir Marvin, shooting test 1911 MEU by Double Bell 728. Testing. Firing. Okay, ubusin lang natin yung bala hanggang sa mag-open chamber. Okay, open chamber, release the magazine. Okay. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Marvin, okay na po ang inyong unit. Again, this is the 1911 MEU by Double Bell. Kung may question pa po regarding sa inyong unit, mag-message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and God bless.